Regina King cried as she picked up the Best Supporting Actress Academy Award. The 48-year-old actress was overcome with emotion as she paid tribute to her mother, Gloria King, when she picked up the first award of the evening at Los Angeles Dolby Theatre in recognition of her performance in If Beale Street Could Talk. Regina began her speech by thanking director Barry Jenkins and author James Baldwin, who wrote the book the movie was based on in the 1960s. She said, "To be standing here, representing one of the greatest artists of our time, James Baldwin, it's a little surreal. James Baldwin birthed this baby. Barry, you nurtured her. You surrounded her with so much love and support, and so it's appropriate for me to be standing here because I'm an example of when support and love is poured into someone. Mom, I love you so much. Thank you for teaching me that God has always been leaning in my direction." The win is Regina's first Oscar, and the movie has also seen her take the Best Supporting Actress statute at the Golden Globes and Film Independent Spirit Awards, as well as the National Board of Review this year. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.